Introverted celebrities have realized the importance of a social network and have improved their lifestyle around it. Elon Musk, Amy Schumer, Beyoncé, and Keanu Reeves are all doing fine with networking their craft and personality. This innate ability as an introvert has benefited them tremendously. To achieve your life goals as an introvert, you must work on your social networking skills. Most topics around social networks do not put introverted personalities into consideration, but you don't have to worry, as we have developed some proven methods and tips that will help boost your confidence and social networking skills. Join us as we delve into these proven methods. Before then, we would love to explain the concept of a social network and its essence. Afterward, we will explain the simple tips for improving your social network as an introvert. So please stick with us and don't go anywhere. Concept of a social network. Understanding and intensifying your social network gives you happiness in your pursuits and guarantees your healthy living. A social network is an integral part of our existence and a skill you need to thrive regardless of your personality type. Although extroverts often have no problem with social networking, let's start by saying that the term social network is not unique to the 21st century. It has been in existence just as long as human civilization. The concept of a social network should not be limited to present-day social media. However, it is important to note that what our current social platforms do, in essence, is to connect people irrespective of location. Social networking is usually associated with adults in society, but youngsters also engage in all sorts of networking. Socializing and networking start with family. Then, it extends to peer groups, school, and work. Therefore, having people to share information, feelings, and emotions with can never be overemphasized. In simpler terms, a social network has to do with your social and personal relationships with other individuals. You might not have many reasons to relate with others, so you either network to make more friends or to increase your career network. Today, your resourcefulness depends entirely on how many quality people you know. As an introvert, you do not have to contemplate social networking. You need it just like you need every other essential thing in life. You can carry out social networking physically and virtually. While you connect with people on various social platforms online, remember that building relationships with them is more important than having them as friends or connections. You can achieve this by just reaching out through direct messages. However, nothing beats a physical network of people that is done offline. It is safe to say modern social network applications are not replacing the physical social network. The significance of social networks. Talking about the meaning of a social network might not be enough. We feel it is also necessary to share the importance of a social network with you. Introverted people might seem disadvantaged when it comes to building a social network. However, the presence of a social network will better your relationships and also help you excel in your career and other personal endeavors. 1. Gives you happiness. No man is an island. You cannot have it all. Other people might be blessed with what you do not possess. That is one more reason why a social network is crucial to our growth as humans. Sometimes your breakthrough lies in the network of friends or professionals you make, not even hard work. The good relationship we keep with other people can delight us beyond our expectations. If you have a network of good people in your life, happiness is usually not too far away. What this means is that you will not struggle or suffer to get most things you desire. Understandably, most introverts get easily exhausted when they find themselves amid a crowd, but we can assure you that the feeling would be different with the right social network. Remember, you have some unique capabilities to pick the right people to associate with as an introvert, so you just have to employ such traits for proper networking with people. 2. Helps you stay healthy. With the right network, maintaining a healthy lifestyle becomes easy. Never forget that a social network is more about how you connect with people, including family and friends. A study showed that people who stay connected to their families, friends, and communities stand a high chance of living longer and healthier lives than those who do not. A social network prevents you from being lonely. Loneliness kills. Yes, it does. It triggers and aggravates depression. Social networks promote different kinds of wellness. It can help improve your mental, physical, occupational, and financial wellness. Imagine your well-being getting improved just because of the good network you have. Certainly, you will be happy and healthy. Do you remember the story of Selena Gomez and her friend Francia Reza? Francia donated one of her kidneys to save Selena. Without such friends, Selena would be long gone by now. 3. Protects your brain. If you focus on eating healthy food, exercising your body, and sleeping many hours a day, you have not quite struck a balance. Apart from doing what we have mentioned, you must also pay attention to your social ties and life. They help your body and brain immensely. Many studies have established that a healthy social network can potentially stimulate the brain. If you are connected with the right people, you will probably not experience as much cognitive decline. Therefore, social connection is healthy and essential for your brain. You might consider the talks, laughs, and intimacy you have with your close friends trivial, but your brain becomes more active when you do so. Researchers made a shocking discovery that people with good social ties are unlikely to suffer cognitive decline, but a loner might be affected. Another research suggests that lonely people stand a 40% risk of dementia. If you prefer to stay alone, as an introvert, here is another reason why you need a social network. Protect your brain, as it is your most valuable asset. 4. Share vital information. Keeping a valuable social network is resourceful. You need valuable information to get better in your career path. The information you get depends on the kind of connections you keep. Sometimes your breakthrough might come through beneficial information. Every success story is not always a product of hard work. You need to pay attention to what is happening around you. The interesting part is that your network could be your source of information. That is why a social network eases communication and information. Ensure you do not underestimate the power of information, even as an introvert. Aside from information gathering, your connections could motivate you and help you follow up on important issues. Having discussed the importance of a social network, you also need to know how you can improve your social network as an introvert. Ways to improve your social network as an introvert. When you grow old as an introvert, chances are you need to connect to other people, even though you do not find it appealing. To introverted people, networking sounds horrible. But what do you do when the hard way seems to be the only way? You just have to adjust. So, that leads us to the real deal of our topic. Here are 5 proven ways of improving your social network as an introvert. Preparing ahead. Our focus on this topic is more of a physical social network. Networking is more of an extrovert trait, but you can do it too, even better. All you have to do is plan effectively before going out to meet or receive people. As an introvert, you have the strength of planning, and you can adopt that to your advantage in this regard. Get yourself prepared ahead and focus on how to initiate conversations with people. Also, you can write out questions you intend to ask. If you have confirmed the certainty of a meeting that you would be part of, identify your goals. Doing this will boost your social life tremendously. Go out with a close friend. Another way to improve your social network is by going out with friends, especially the ones you are most comfortable with. Such a friend could help calm your nerves. With that, the location will feel more friendly to you. This decision will help you feel free and never feel lonely. If the friend is an extrovert, then they can put you through and make you more comfortable because they are used to such gatherings. Wear a smile. In most events, your smile is another asset you have to maintain your balance and confidence. Try to study your extroverted friends. You will observe that they put on a smile most of the time. Therefore, wearing a smile always, especially while talking, can help you improve your social network because it is a social tool. According to Brian Tracy, introverts are often guilty of not making use of their smile and eye contact as much as extroverts. As simple as smiling, study shows that introverts smile less than extroverted personalities. Introverted people find it difficult to maintain eye contact. To stay connected with people, you need to start paying attention to your smile and also eye contact. They can help you exude more confidence. The smile you wear before talking can help you disarm the people you are talking to. Another beautiful thing about your smile is that it gives people a good impression of you. Use your smile to your advantage, as it elevates the rate you connect with people. Stay in the moment. Before delving into this, you need to know that wherever you find yourself, you must consider yourself welcome. You have to be aware that a larger percentage of people who are present at the event might not be comfortable too. Take it upon yourself to say things that would make them calm their nerves. Doing this will make you connect better with them. After achieving this, you need to be in the moment with them. Let them feel your presence. Your focus should be on the ones you are addressing. Do not bother yourself too much about people you would be talking to subsequently. People love to feel valued, and you can achieve this by personalizing the conversation about them. Have your goals. Having some stipulated goals to achieve in networking can help you stay connected. Another way setting up goals would benefit you at a gathering is that it will help you eliminate your shyness. Remember, you must have a goal set before you arrive at the venue. While setting your goals, you must consider the people you would meet. Also, what you want to achieve from the event must be clearly stated. Conclusion. Introverts might experience many hardships while trying to network with other people, but if you consider the importance of social networks for personal growth, you will realize that it is not what you can compromise on. All you need to improve your social network is what you already possess. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to click and subscribe to this channel. Have a great day. See it, feel it, believe it.